Hello, my name is Muhammad Jazum Faisti. I'm from the Informatic Engineering Study Program, Faculty of Science and Technology. I'm here. I will explain about design and evaluation of smart digital signature application and user interface for document legalization in COVID-19 pandemic. Points to be delivered are abstract summary, introduction, method, finding discussion, and conclusion. In one, abstract summary. Abstract summary, this study aims to build an effective user interface digital signature application for document legalization. The process of document publishing services and bureaucratic flows at universities affected by the pandemic can be simplified and accelerated with this application later. However, appropriate application design still needs to be done before application development. Therefore, application design is carried out on the user interface UI to the prototype stage so that application to be built can be more attractive, more effective, and efficient. In addition, to help the application success, it is also necessary to evaluate the design process. This testing process is carried out to prevent failure from later application development by implementing an easy and frequently used test. Namely, usability testing and namely the usability scale atau SUI system. This study is to design and evaluate the UI of the smart digital signature application to provide participation for the success of the application that will be developed later. Into introduction, the objective of the research, the smart digital signature application is designed and built to track the flow of documents to be signed and increase the efficiency and effectiveness of the document review process during a pandemic. This smart digital signature application design is needed as an initial process before application development. The design can be in the form of a user interface UI, which will determine the user impression and increase the added value of the user. UI design is one of the important factors that need to be done before focusing on the technical aspect of the main application. In the study, the author designed and evaluated the user interface of the smart digital signature application to provide participation for the success of the application that will be developed later. Therefore, the smart digital signature application can be used effective and efficient as a document validation process during this pandemic, which is very much needed, especially in universities, to improve staff performance and support academic activities. The problem of the research. COVID-19 spread so quickly that it became a global pandemic that hit developing countries, including Indonesia. It has affected the world of education, especially in higher education in terms of economy, social activities, and management. This pandemic has significant impact employee performance, especially when working from home. One of the things that often becomes an obstacle is the bureaucratic process that becomes the flow of the produce policies and decisions. For example, in documents such as official contracts, financial transactions, the most important thing included in the document is a signature on electronic document or digital documents supporting government policies to prevent the spread of epidemics by limiting by physical contact activities. It is where the smart digital signature application can increase the effective and efficient of the document validation process. Smart digital signature can prevent the use of fake data by data recipients. Three methods. In method one, method of the research. By using literature study was conducted to assess the problem identification process to formulate the problem. 2. Data collection. The data taken is important in the preparation of this research by the direct observation method, namely collecting data directly through by observation. The method used interview. This method use question and answer are face-to-face with a task search to obtain related data in the study. 3. Technique of analysis data. In evaluating and validating the design in the study, usability testing was used one of the usability tests that are often used and the most popular in SUIs. SUIs was developed by John Prock, which is reliable, popular, effective, inexpensive, and can be used in global assessment of application usability. And for finding and discussion. In finding and discussion, a smart digital signature is an online signature application that can be an authentic document that provides clear information that the document is genuine or not. In this application, the user can register or log in after that on the dashboard. The user can add a document to request a signature from the person concerned, and later it will produce a PDF format for the signature document. However, this research has two novelties to determine user satisfaction with the suitability of the implementation needs of this application. In addition, this research of SUIs tests measure user satisfaction to evaluate the UI design before implementing the system. 5. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Smart Digital Signature application is developed to validate documents in the form of unique electronic signature to prevent information from being known by authorized parties to signal documents. This application can also speed up the process of document publishing service and simplify the flow and bureaucratic. The design stack combines user scenarios and UI design to prototypes. This design stack is then tested on to ensure that the design that has been made has been designed correctly and is following the needs of the smart digital signature.